Today I'm getting rid of an annoying turtleneck on my high neck sweater and I will show you how I do it. First, I determine how much I want to shorten the turtleneck, and next I use the measuring tape to measure and mark the new length. You can mark the new length, like the new line, with a pin, straight sewing pin, or with a chalk mark or fabric marker, something that works for you. I chose to snap the yarn, like one strand of the yarn, with my thread clippers, but also you can use a seam ripper, that's gonna work too. Okay, so once I decide on the final new length, I will be removing the excess length, and I do that by removing a string at the desired length. Hope that makes sense. So as you can see, I keep on pulling that one string, so I'm removing just a one string from each eyelet, and when I continue to do so, I will separate the excess length of the turtleneck from the remaining part of the sweater. So this is the easiest way to remove that extra fabric. And then once I'm done with that, I will move on to closing all the eyelets to prevent them from undoing itself and ruining the sweater. Okay, so far so good. That looks great. Look at that. Almost done. Okay, one more. Perfect, that's done. Look at it. So now I have the excess fabric from the turtleneck separated from the body of the sweater. Okay, that's great. Now I threaded the needle with the yarn from the existing sweater, and I tied a sewing knot at the end of one string, and I hide the knot from the left side to the right. So I poke the needle from the wrong side of the fabric to the right side of the fabric to hide the knot, and then I will continue catching the eyelets, you know, the little eyes in the sweater as you can see it, and I will try to follow the pattern on that neckline. So either I'm gonna be picking 2 eyelets or 3, it depends, but usually you can see me doing like sewing 2 eyelets at a time. So I will go 2 eyelets forward and 1 back, grab onto another 2, go forward, 1 back, and that's how I will create a nice finish edge, so there won't be any raw edge. It will look nicely finished, although it will be visible. You will be able to see the difference that it's been finished or refinished rather. So it will not have that fabric looking original, pretty looking edge. It will be a little bit different. It will be nice and comfortable, no more annoying, and tight high neck. As you can see, I did not take a brand new yarn because I want the color to match as close as possible, so the existing yarn is perfect for this. Finally, I'm almost done picking stitches along the cut edge, and I'm going to secure the stitch by sewing a finishing knot, then weaving in any loose yarn ends with a needle just to make sure they will not show on the right side. And once I'm done that, the finishing touch is to steam it or lightly press the new neckline to smooth it out. Definitely try it on, see how it fits, how you like it. Is it comfortable, or is it something that you don't like about it and you have to change it again? I will link in the description box below the sewing supplies that I use, so if you're interested in any of them, go ahead and check it out, see if there's something you like. If you like this video, please like it, share it, subscribe to my channel, and come back for more content. Yarn is nicely secured, time to trim it, and let's see how the finishing edge looks now. I think it looks beautiful, pretty awesome. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.